Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will talk about TCS CodeVita exam dates and how to start the exam and how the interface will be and what is the duration of exam. These all things I will talk in this video. So without further delay, let's get started. So first go to Google and type TCS CodeVita season 13. Click on the first link. So click on login. Here you need to give your email ID or username. The username you will get in your authenticator app. The email which you registered you can give. Make sure you're keeping your authenticator app because it will be useful in logging. If you, I'll give the mail in the description. So mail your problem to them. So again they will give you a scanner. If possible, you can re-log in again. So give your username or email here. Give your email ID and click on sign in. So you will be getting your OTP to your authenticator app. Please go and check there. So here are the rounds and here are the dates and time of the exam. So let's see one by one. So mock vita 1 means sample test. You will be having on 29 and 30 August. That is today and tomorrow. It is started from 3 p.m. to and it will be end by 3 p.m. Means 24 hours the window will be open. In the 24 hours you need to spend any 6 hours and write the exam. This is just a practice test, not the original round. So after mock vita 1 and again mock vita 2 will be another practice test will be on 12th and 13th September from 3 p.m. to 3 p.m. Means total 24 hours the window will be open. And the so mock vita 1 and mock vita 2 are just practice tests. It is not necessary to attend, but if you attend you will get some experience like how the original exam will be. You can get the exam experience, that's all. And the original exam, that is round 1, zone 1 means zone 1 comes under Bangalore and zone 2 comes under Hyderabad. So round 1 zone 1 will be on 10th and 11th October 3 p.m. to 3 p.m. and round 1 zone 2 will be 31 October to 1st November. That is 3 p.m. to 3 p.m. 24 hours window will be open. And if you qualify for round 1, then round 2 will be on 14th September and 15th September. Means 24 hours it will be. And they haven't yet released final round and grand final. So to write mock vita 1, that is to write the exam today, just click on I confirm that I have read. Then click on start contest. So the interface will be like this. Here are the guidelines. This is coding area. So there will be total of 6 questions and you will get 6 hours of time. You need to qualify round 1, you need to solve at least 2 or 3 questions. And you need to write the code in an optimized way. So let's see all the problems once. So this is so far problem. View the full problem. Read this all. And if you want to write this code, you can just go to online editor. Here you can select your language, save and compile and run. If you're taking the help from online sources, then you can you can tick this. In order to go out of this, you just need to you can just click on the previous tab. So in the similar way, you will be having all other problems. The total of 6 problems. So try to write by your own. And I think you can also take the reference from internet. And the TCS CodeVita finds the plagiarism very well. So don't try to copy the exact code. Try to solve by your own. Don't just copy paste. Okay. So some of you might be getting presentation error. Presentation error means you're almost done with the code. You just need to check your syntaxes. Presentation error means just you need to check your expected output. If you're getting a exact output how they are asking or not. It's just the way you're presenting it. If you're getting compilation error, then it might be your code logic problem. So check it out once. So once you start the exam, you need to sit for 6 hours. Make sure you're spending suitable 6 hours. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts in this video or from any other videos of my channel, then you can just drop in the comment. I'll surely reply to it. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it keeps me motivated to post more such helpful contents for you. So all the very best for your exam. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.